Need to send money through Payoneer fast and hassle-free? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make a transfer step by step. Let's jump in. First, log into your Payoneer account using your email and password. Next, click on Pay in the top menu, then choose To Recipient's Payoneer account. Enter the email address of the recipient's Payoneer account, then click Next. Now complete the payment details, select the balance you're paying from, enter the amount, choose the payment purpose, and then click Review. Double-check everything, and when you're ready, click Confirm and Pay. That's it, your money is on its way. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and clear how-to guides. See you in the next one.